Hello, doing a review of the Wimius 4K camera. You notice this is square shape. Let me just show you the build quality is actually quite good. The great thing about this is that its battery cover has a string attached to it so you don't lose it. And you notice that the tab here is to help you pull the battery out. And I know it's a little crinkled. It actually came like this. The second battery that it comes with also has crinkles, so that's just the way it is. Having two batteries will give you about 3 hours worth of recording time, which is a lot, actually. Here's the cover for putting in the micro SD card as well as the USB and micro HDMI for TV out. And then this is a nice rubbery feel. It comes with its own screen protector already. And these are the 3 buttons that it has. So you notice that it has this LED on the top and the front. Oh, by the way, these are microphones as well. Two microphones, so maybe it's for noise canceling. You press this once to turn the screen on, and then I'm in menu mode, so normally, let's get out of here. So you're back in video mode, right? So once you press it once to turn the screen on, and you press it again to actually record. So you see how it's blinking? So you have an indication that it's actually recording. So let me just turn that off. So you see the screen here, it's like this. When you're looking at an angle, you can't actually see this very well. If you look at the side, this one on the right side is okay, but you look at the left, it's not okay. Look at the bottom though, it's okay. So looking at from the top and the left side is actually not okay. I've noticed this in a lot of budget cameras. It's just a limited range on this. So you gotta take note of that. And not all of it is the same. I think in other cameras manufactured, it's actually dependent on how it's inserted, how the LCD screen is inserted. It's just weird like that. Anyways, it's a budget camera. It's what it is. It has 4K, 24p. You see how it's Ultra HD 24p, and it has anti-shake mode as well, which is not optical but done digitally. Let me show you other things here. You press this to cycle through different modes. Here's the camera mode, here's the playback, here's the actual menu, and to actually cycle through this you have to press this, and this is to OK it. So going down, I just want to point out here is so you gotta, if you miss it, you gotta cycle through all again because there's no up button. Here's the field of view. When you go in here, actually changing any of these does not make any difference. It's probably because this operating system is built for other cameras as well. It's just not available for this camera. So same for Fisheye, also not available for this camera. It just happens to be here. So I turn it on and off, it doesn't make any difference. Oh, maybe it does. Look, you see it's slightly curved, right? Let me go back to the menu. Let's just remember that. So you see you have to cycle through all of it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. If I miss it, oh, there it is. So let's turn it off, and let's go back out again. So you press it once. See, it's the same thing. There's still the curve there on the side. So anyways, this is the stuff that it provides. This is the one that comes with a case. It's nice. I like it in that it doesn't overfill it. It's got lots of space for holding all your items and then some. Usually cases like overcrowded with stuff, and you can't actually put everything in. It comes with, like I said, 2 batteries. The charger is not actually a charger itself. It's a USB cable that you plug into the camera. I wish it came with a charger that can charge the 2 batteries at the same time. And it comes with a lot of accessories to help you get started on a lot of things. I think it's quite unlimited on what it can, where you can put. What it doesn't have is a chest strap, I think. It doesn't have that where you into your chest. You got a bicycle mount, and that's it. Anyways, let's just see the actual. Oh, here's my Yi camera, and I'll be testing This is my benchmark test against budget cameras, and this is what it looks like against it. So you'll see the footage in the next video. The Wimius is on the left and the Yi camera is on the right. They're both handheld at the same distance. You can pause and make the comparison.